Hello everyone, welcome to the Monster Art TV.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Monster Art TV.
Today we have a spooky idea. We're going to make
骷髅
skeleton. We're going to make a skeleton out of clay.
我们会拿很多皮泥来做一个骷髅的模型。
It's gonna be a lot of fun. Are you ready for this?
Yes, let's go!
So for this project, we're going to use a transparent sheet, like a plastic transparent sheet,
透明
white clay.
白色橡皮泥。
We're gonna make the skeleton first. We're gonna start with the face.
Can I make the ghost with the white clay also?
Yes, but let's start first with the skeleton. We put it here. We're gonna leave a space, okay? Don't put it too high. Just leave like a 2 or 3 fingers, and then you put it there, and you stick
Here?
it.
Like here?
Yes. This is the top part of the skull, and we're gonna do the bottom for the teeth with a little square. And we're gonna put under.
Why is square so big?
Little square.
My
So you can see
skeleton
the shape here. You have the round and the square.
is correct?
Yes, and then, see, you mix it. And we're gonna do, I like to start with the teeth. We're gonna do lines 1, 2, 3, and then one line across. 1, 2. This skeleton have a silly face.
My skeleton
So have a big round eye. See?
he didn't got $1, so it's
You didn't get $1.
uh-huh.
Okay, now we're gonna go with the spine. Like a 7, 8. Put here 1. See? Bone.
Don't know.
The collarbones are the bones that
Oh,
come.
Jolly!
No, those are the ribs. The collarbones are the ones that come out of the neck to the sides
I
to
just
connect
said it's
with
this.
with the arms. We're gonna do these ones. Here.
Keeps also. Let me make 2 balls.
See? Here.
Why don't put in here?
Because it's too close to the neck.
And I only have 4.
So you- They look very real. For the arms, we're gonna make a stick. You can see the shoulder bone. And the shoulder gonna go, I'm gonna put it here. Because dancing skeletons raise their arms. And the other one. Now we're gonna do the fingers. Fingers is a little ball, make it into a stick, and stick it on the hand.
Mine is Liu Liu.
Do it like this.
Liu 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 Liu.
Rah-ha. Okay, 1 leg, 2 legs. She's dancing.
Tweet. I'm dancing like tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
So we make a point and then we draw lines like a sun. See, Julian?
Oh no.
I think I'm gonna make another spider web here.
I only make 1 spider once.
Here in the corner.
1 spider.
That's good. See, 2 spider webs.
Look.
And I'm gonna make here a rat. Make an ear. And then like an ice cream cone. Wanna make a bug with me?
I want to make a spider. Apple spider. No, apple spider. Spider eat apple. Yes, apple spider.
And our skeletons are ready.
我们的骷髅诞生啦！
Wow, how cool.
你看
You have the skull,
帅。
the bony arms, the ribs, the hips, and the bony legs, and the skeleton is dancing.
对，而我这个是在跳。
And we put some spider webs,
哇，
some web cup, and some bats. Julia put a ghost out there. And your skeleton is doing what?
哎呀，我要出去玩，我要出去玩。You want to go outside play?
The skeletons want to go play.
Yay!
So see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.